RP4F, and RP2F install printer driver. To download your RP4F or RP2F printer driver, visit hsmftp.honeywell.com. Select Software in the menu. Select and expand the Printers category. Select and expand the Printer Software and Drivers category. Select and expand the Printer Drivers category. Select and expand the Windows Print Drivers category. Select Current, then select Download. When prompted, select Open Honeywell Software Downloader, and let the download complete. After download has completed, go to your Downloads folder and right-click on the Honeywell file, then select Extract All. Once the file has been extracted, double-click on the file. When prompted, accept the terms and conditions, select Next. Right-click and copy the installation directory name, then select Next. Deselect the Read Installation Instructions command, and then select Finish. When download is completed, right-click in the File and Folder listing pane, paste the installation directory name into the field. Double left-click on driverwizard.x. In the Driver Wizard window, ensure Install Printer Drivers is selected, and then select Next. If installing the printer driver via USB, ensure the USB is inserted into the USB port on your computer and that the USB option is selected. Wait for the Driver Wizard to identify the printer. Once found, left-click on the printer and select Next. Proceed to select Next until you've reached the Finish prompt. Select Finish. To ensure proper installation, select the Windows tab on your computer, select Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, select Printers, and locate the recently installed printer.